So hello guys, good morning. I'm Masum Mustaq. So now today topic is thinking. If you want to improve your English, then your thinking level should be higher, because if you think in English, then your English level will be higher. So in this case, what you need to do is like whatever you think, just whenever you wake up from bed, whenever you get up from the bed, whatever you think in English and try to translate in English those. Okay, for example, Bengali, Hindi, whatever your language, if you think that, then try to translate it in English. Okay, it will help you to improve your English. And this is the one thing. And second thing is like take an object and then translate all of the parts, all of those related to all of the topics of that part of that objects in English. Whenever you translate that objects, all parts, all names, etc., in translate in English, then it will improve your English level also. Okay, so the third thing is for example, someone asks you anything, then try to think in English and then try to answer them in English too, because self-talk is the main important thing in spoken English. Okay, whenever you start self-talk, then it will improve your English. So self-talk is the major part to improve your English. Try to self-talk. Take a mirror, for example, stand up in front of a mirror. You speak with you like self-talk, which is called. So what do I mean that self-talk? Okay, self-talk means that you speaking with yourself only. There is no one there. Okay, so whenever you start self-talk, it will create a major role. It will play the major role in your spoken English. Example, this is in Almira. Okay, then speak with this. Translate the name of these words in English. Make a sentence in Bengali, Hindi, or whatever your mother tongue, and translate it in your mind in English. And try to combine the sentences. It will create a like paragraph, and it will improve your English too. Okay. So what I mean to say that thinking is the major part of spoken English. Try to think in English. Okay. Hope you guys will help me. Then subscribe my channel, comment, share, and like my videos. That's all. Thank you so much.